Hi, welcome back to my channel, Second Story Furniture. This piece was truly given a second story. It's literally from Grandma's attic. This little guy was part of a friend's inheritance, which was headed for a bonfire. My friend called me and said, "Come save this furniture or it's getting thrown in the fire." The poor little table was looking a little worse for wear, so I cleaned it and sanded it. I hand painted it with black chalk paint and distressed it ever so slightly as a nod to its rustic roots. I coated it with a satiny wax finish. I stained the top and sealed it with polyacrylic for durability. This end table was clearly handmade and has stood the test of time, as most pieces from this era have. Because of its vintage heritage, you can expect some imperfections, which to me are the untold memories of its past life. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please hit like and subscribe.